It's like a issue about my memory. I forget the stuff quite often. Yeah. So this is a 1 hour chart, and it's going sideways, and I can see bearish divergence on 1 hour. See, lower lows, lower low, lower low. Right. We had smaller, like bullish divergence here, but it didn't play out well. If we had let it bounce and boom, right, went back down, crashing. So it makes me worried about the market. Today is Thursday, so I think the international market S&P uh, American market is open, right? It is forming some similar pattern in inverse head and shoulder, but the volume is quite low. Uh, you know, this is not the signs of. These signs are not exactly how the bottom should look like. Look, take a look at the previous bottoms in the history of Bitcoin, right? Look, see. So this was the bottom. So check this out. How the price reacted. We had boom, like this. Parabolic run, right? We knew it was a bottom, right? And then the last high. Price came back down to test the last high and then confirmed, and boom, right? Another leg up. Moving on to previous dump. This is a black swan event, corona, right? Look how the market reacted. After it hit certain support, it didn't stop. It came right back even stronger. Look. And here we had small, like we can say bear market, the small one from 25 25 June or 26 June to here 8 December. It's like 6 month mini bear market, right? And look how price reacted. It came back up strong. We had several percent double digit pumps. See here how much pump in just first day. 15%. See, 15% pump. And here how much in terms of percentage when it shows the signs of the bottom, right? 55% pump. Imagine that. And here when the price was $27,000, we had 12% pump, right? And but after like third day the pump went up to 15. See, 18, and then up to 39 or 40. See, it didn't stop there. It went up and up and up. See, but now how many days it's been? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost a week. Let's say next candle was like, it was 15% pump, but it's been a week, guys. See, I don't see any strong upside push. It's similar to this one. See, sideways, sideways, sideways. A fake out, another fake out, and boom, came right down crashing. Hard. Okay, just one more example. So look, you see, this is the bottom of the 2018, which is very very identical to 2022 bottom. Okay, now look at this. From this bottom to here, it was 35% or 34% move, right? So it didn't stop there, right? It didn't stop there. We had very good volume, right? We had a little bit test of the last support of the lower low right here, and then it came back up strongly. Look at that, look at that. See what I mean? We have lack of volume which could push the Bitcoin price to the upside. So this I am considering a weak pattern, just like here. This is a daily time frame. We should not, we can just predict that this is even this is a inverse head and shoulder, but does it has had enough volume to push the price up? No, right? Inverse head and shoulder does not always mean the price should go upside, but it totally depends on the market sentiment. And market sentiment right now is not in the favor of bulls, right? I know some of the altcoins are pumping, but is this the right time to go all in? I bet no. If I see price going above 23,000, maybe I'll buy some more altcoins, right? Here, right here. When we see move like this, the final upside push. Let's bring here the inverse head and shoulder on 1 hour. So if I see the movement like this, some sort of upside push, right, came down, test, and goes back up above 23,000, here I will buy some more altcoins, right? Some of the altcoins, maybe I'll buy like after 10-15% of pump, maybe if I enter late. But when I enter, I can make 2x or 3x easily when the Bitcoin price will go $35,000. Why is my target is 35? Because we had another CME gap. We can capitulate right here, consolidate right here, and boom, near about 35.6 somewhere here. See, so when we will come in this area, this zone, the price will stay here like for a couple of days, and then when it will break from this like this, retest and break, then we will exit here, take some profit, because on $35,000 it will come back down once again. We'll have small crash. I cannot predict for like another many months, but here is my take on it for maybe 1 or 2 months, next 1 or 2 months. If only if this inverse head and shoulder sustain, if it works. This one failed, right? And it took a long time, maybe 2 weeks, to finally maybe not more than not 2 weeks. It took actually 1 month, in this sideways zone. I made some very good scalps here, but right now I don't want to enter long. Longs are risky right now, and I believe we can see more downside push, because I see similarities in these two patterns. I don't see huge, very good volume candles which will take back to 23-24,000. 25,000 or 26,000 could be easy for Bitcoin to break if we got very good volume, because there is a CME gap there, and another gap is at 35, but we don't have volume. So maybe another one leg more down, right? So straight down to 15 or 13, right? 13,000 will take us to 80% correction on Bitcoin, right? 80%. So a bear market could last, like the correction could last 80 to 85% in when crypto creates the bottom. 80 to 85% is the normal correction in the crypto bear market. So we are down, this last $17,600 mark is where 74% correction, as if as of now 74.45% correction until now. And uh, maybe it could drop uh, 10 to 11% more, so it could take us to 15 to 30,000, from the all-time high. So this is my target, which is why I'm not buying anymore. I bought altcoins right here at the bottom, at this zone. I have bought some altcoins, and I don't want to take another entry, at a little bit higher. If I want to buy more, I'll buy lower. If altcoins drop more, if Bitcoin drop more, I will take another entry here, not here. But if it breaks some sort of important support, like a resistance like 23,000, then I could buy. But right now, no. Right now, if I want to enter long, no. I want to enter short. Maybe depends on the 15 to 20 minute time frame if I enter any short position. But I don't see any volume, so it's been 3-4 days. It's just boring. I don't see any opportunity. So keep an eye on Bitcoin, and I don't think you guys should scalp in. You can scalp, but I don't think you can buy on the spot, investing your 20, 30, 40% portfolio in any coin, just because of few coins are pumping, and some of the stupid groups, free groups, are posting signals about long this coin with the 10x 20x target is 200% profit, 300% profit. Fuck them. They are just robbing your money. One or two coins will pump, and then you'll think they know their stuff, and then you join their premium, you start losing money, right? I have seen many groups, just 2 good signals and 3 bad signals. They perform worst in bear market. Signals groups don't know how to send signals in bear market. In bull season, they do great. They earn a lot of money through their premium service, because everything is pumping. They are always sending long signals, but they don't know how to work out with the bear market. So don't waste your money. Have some patience. Follow the rules. I have invested 75% of my portfolio right here at the bottom. This one, 17,000. 75. That's my second entry. My first entry was around here, 28, and then second entry at 17, and the third entry, if I take the third entry, it could be near about 13 or 15,000. That will be the final one, and I'm not putting my life savings in Bitcoin or in any crypto. I am, I have some of my funds in my bank to to support my lifestyle for a couple of months or a year. I'm investing the money that if I lost, I won't regret. So I hope you learn from this, guys. I have seen many bear markets, so I hope you learn from it. So if you guys have any question, then please let me know. Did I bored you guys? Ranga, hello Elgin.